Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say Taylor Swift is an American singer-songwriter, one of the best-selling musicians worldwide. She began her career in country music, transitioned to pop, and is known for her storytelling in songs. She has won multiple Grammy Awards and has a huge fan base called Swifties. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.